Hi, I'm Matt Dalton. I work here at Rumpke at our Dayton garage. I've been here for 17 years. If I had to explain my job, it'd be that we are here to maintain and repair the trucks that come by and pick up your trash every day. Well, it started out as I was just looking for a job in the maintenance area. Started out as a tire guy and worked my way up to technician. The hardest part of my job is when we are unable to fix something that is way far broke than we can repair. I'd have to say the most rewarding part of my job is actually dealing with the drivers and making sure that they have a good, safe, usable piece of equipment. Here at the Dayton facility, we have 5 vehicles that are predominantly, all they do is pick up recycled materials. They are automated trucks. What I do is make sure that those are capable of picking up the routes each day and that they're a good, safe piece of equipment.